everyone, and welcome back to Living Life with Lisa. Hello guys, happy Sunday. You know, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and go ahead and click on that bell so you know when I post. Also guys, don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. Alright guys, so today we're going to be making some chicken fajitas. So first I have my wok on, and I have a little bit of water in there, and I'm going to put my vegetables in there because I want them to be sauteed. And the vegetables are, I have red and yellow and orange peppers, okay? Let them saute. I'm just gonna put the rest of that bag in there. And also too, I have some onions that I already cut. I'm going to put the onions in there as well too. I'm gonna let all of this saute for the chicken fajitas. Then I'm going to use some olive oil in here as well. Okay, and then I'm going to use some black pepper for seasoning, because I want the peppers to cook all the way down. And I'm using a little bit of sazon. Love my sazon. I'm using paprika. It's just a little sprinkle, guys. And a little bit of Creole seasoning. Okay. Alright, so guys, we're going to let that go ahead. All of our vegetables, we're going to let that go ahead and saute down. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I have some boneless, skinless chicken. I'm going ahead and cutting it. Alright everyone, so the vegetables are still sauteing. I'm going to turn them down a little bit. And then I have all my chicken that I have sliced. And I'm going to pour the water off because I rinsed them again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to season them. Season it really, really good. Then I'll mix all the seasoning up together. And again, I'm just using the same seasoning. I'm using the sazon, Creole seasoning, some black pepper, some paprika. All right. Woo, y'all. These seasonings have a kick to them. I'm about to sneeze. Achoo. No, y'all, let me tell you. I'm adding this new matte lip gloss to my Glam to Gloss line. And as you can see, I'm wearing it today. It's called Romance. Yes, I love it. I like it. It's a matte lipstick. It's paraben, cruelty, and vegan free. So you guys should go over to Glam to Gloss and check it out. Okay, so let me rinse my hands off. Okay, my meat is all seasoned up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in here with my vegetables. Ooh, y'all, it smells, excuse me. It smells so good. I'm going to just let this chicken brown a little bit on both sides. Turn my heat back up to like a 6. And we're just going to let that cook, okay, for about 5 minutes. Okay, guys, so now I'm removing it from the stove. I'm putting all of the chicken and the peppers in my Pyrex dish, and I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 for probably about 20 minutes to finish cooking it, to give it that crisp taste. Oh y'all, this smells so good with these peppers. Oh my God. I had to limit my peppers because Haley really don't care to eat peppers, neither does TK, but what's a fajita if you didn't have your peppers? And then I'm gonna pour that little created sauce in here. Okay. Put this in the sink. And then I'm gonna take some of my Kikkoman low sodium soy sauce. Spread it around. And sprinkle a little bit throughout. You can choose to put how much ever you would like on there. But yeah, it looks so good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes, okay? All right, everyone, so the chicken fajitas are done. And I also have my tortillas on the grill. I let them grill, heated them up a little bit. Just gonna take one. Ooh, it is real crispy. Got that glaze on it. It's a little hot too. Ooh, jeez. Ooh, a little hot, guys. Get my plate. I wish I had more peppers on here. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is the fajita, the chicken fajita. It's good, guys. The taste is awesome. These peppers and these onions and the seasoning gave it really good flavoring. It's so good, y'all. It's gonna fall apart. Well, okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. I really appreciate each and every one. Don't forget to click that thumbs up so we can get a like. And let's see. Let's get this video at 70 likes, okay? And don't forget to watch the Flamin' Hot Cheetos fried chicken video that we posted last Sunday. All right, guys, you guys have a good, great, prosperous, blessed Sunday, and we will see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. All right, guys, I wanted to jump on here just to introduce a few scrubs that I've decided to put out on the market. And one that seems to have become very popular is the coconut lime mint sugar scrub, and then the lemon sugar scrub. And these scrubs are for your body when you take your shower, or when you're just taking a bath, trying to relax with a glass of wine, or you know, some lit candles. This is to exfoliate your skin gently, you know, and to make, like, say for instance, if you're using it on the bottom of your feet, once you use it, your feet are so smooth and they're just so soft, and it does all your skin like that. These sugar scrubs are meant to be used a couple of times a week, no more than a couple of times a week, and also keep them at room temperature, because if you put them somewhere where it is very, very hot, then they'll start to dissolve, and you don't want that to happen. The lemon one, that particular size, runs about $8, and then the one that's next to it, which is our coconut,
lime mint sugar scrub. That one runs about 12 because it's larger in size. So yeah, if you guys are interested in some of these scrubs, you can send me a message at lissmith34@gmail.com. You can send me a email message letting me know what kind you would like to purchase, and yeah, and then we'll just go from there. And if they're for a gift or anything like that, we do cutesy them up, you know, make them look nice and pretty for you. And if you want to send it to someone, we'll create the card for you, whatever the occasion is. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed our sugar scrub video, and also don't forget to go over to glam2glosscosmetics.com and place your order. You guys go on over there and place your order, and stay tuned because we'll be adding more products to the cosmetic line as well. Alright guys, I have enjoyed this time with you all, and stay tuned for my next video.